Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII. Let's begin. And we can start with simply going into the settings. Then you want to scroll down and locate display. And in display, right below brightness level, we have adaptive brightness. As you can see, currently it is enabled, and you want to make sure that it is enabled for auto brightness to work. That's all you want to do. And if you're still encountering any kind of issues, I would simply advise you to expand your control center, press the turn off button, and simply restart your phone. I know that this may sound kind of silly, but it does really help. It's because whenever you reboot your phone, you're not only rebooting any kind of software, but also all kinds of hardware, including sensors that are responsible for detecting brightness levels around you, which translates to auto brightness feature working correctly. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.